Hello guys, review smartphone OPPO A76, version 4GB RAM and 128GB internal memory, open box and look completion. In completion we have adapter for charging in completion with quick charge and Type-C cable. That's all completion, and on this we have protected back cover. Okay. Now talk about device. Device made of plastic. On the back side double camera LED, on the front side 6.5-inch display, on this side power key, on this side wall buttons, slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphone jack. HD display, 90 Hz LCD matrix. Open settings. About phone, we have Android 12, Color OS 12.1. Look settings, we have Qualcomm Snapdragon 680, it's octa-core processor, 1.9 and 2.4 GHz, and GPU Adreno 610. Results, good results, and GPU test results. Okay, look onto the benchmark. Okay, onto the benchmark, good results, and run them at the game GTA San Andreas. Okay, game works very good on the max graphic level without lags and glitches. Okay, close this. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.